Hi guys. Um, Proposition 22, I'm going to be voting yes on because it is the lesser of two evils. There's a lot going on with this. We have the gig economies, which are taking advantage of everybody. And then we have the government, which also is taking advantage of everybody. So unless we vote yes on 22, we're going to see Uber and we're going to see Lyft just wave their hand goodbye and say, bye, California, we're going to take our business elsewhere. And I don't think we really want that. I don't think we want our seniors sitting at home, not able to go anywhere without an Uber or a Lyft. And so I don't see that as a good thing. And, if California, basically wins against Uber and Lyft, then the next gig company is going to be up for a target for California as well. So going into this, I'll give you all these links here. Uber and Lyft are putting in $180 million to fight a court battle against California, essentially, because California is wanting more taxes because they don't have any money anymore. So anyway, if you do want to look up no on prop, this kind of gives you a background here on voting no. Anyway, it goes into workers being established as a employee instead of an independent contractor. So that was the whole thing here. But basically, this video here, this guy, he explains really well everything about Prop 22 for Lyft and Uber. He's speaking on behalf of the Rideshare Guide channel. They have a wonderful little article here. I'll put the link in the description, but this is a history of what happened, basically, okay? What's happening with Uber and Lyft in California. January 1st, 2020, Assembly Bill 5, AB 5, was officially put into place. This stipulated that drivers must be classified as employees instead of independent contractors. Okay, May 5th, California Attorney General and a coalition of city attorneys in California announced they would be suing Uber and Lyft for wrongfully classifying their drivers as independent contractors. Okay, so right away we've already got state workers, state employees suing Uber and Lyft. Not, individual people, but government agents suing private companies, okay? And then we have June 9th, 2020, California Public Utilities Commission announced that Uber and Lyft must provide workers' compensation coverage to drivers by July 1st. So we have agencies going after, we have California agencies going after Uber and Lyft now. August 5th, the California State Labor Commissioner announced in a press release that the office plans to file a lawsuit against the companies under the grounds that they are committing wage theft by willfully misclassifying drivers as independent contractors instead of employees. Okay, August 10th, 2020, Judge Ethan Schulman in California ruled that both Uber and Lyft must classify their drivers as employees within 10 days or file an appeal. August 20th, Uber and Lyft almost left California but are granted a reprieve. Okay? Mid-October, an appeals court will hear oral arguments and weigh the company's request to overturn the judge's order to employ drivers. November 3rd, California voters will vote on the fate of Proposition 22, which stipulates that ride-share drivers and delivery drivers would remain independent contractors while gaining some of the benefits of being employees. Okay, so that's a real good overview there of what's going on. Again, yes on 22 for the lesser of two evils. You can see how, the drivers are not a part of this in any way, really. I mean, No matter how many ads you see about Mothers Against Drunk Driving, this guy goes over it real well. He talks about how he wants to vote no. Again, this is Rideshare Driving School, and he's got a large following, and he's been on YouTube for 4 years, and he goes over a lot of stuff about what's going on in California with Uber and Lyft. Again, all very valid, but within the wider scope of things, I'm going to say vote yes on 22, because who's going to take care of grandma and grandpa? That's basically the way I'm looking at it. Okay, so that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I mean, here's another little article here by Forbes. I'll put it in the description. Will Lyft and Uber leave California over state's anti-independent contractor law, AB 5? Okay, so basically, that's what it is, guys. It's really comes down to it. It's not about the drivers at all. And I suggest you look over those links, but I'm going to say yes on 22. All right. God bless. Bye.